I mean, yeah, look at this. CurlSmith really did their thing with this shine line. Can you see it? Can you see the shine? I'm loving this. Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, The Rachel Hodge. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on your notifications, okay? We don't want to miss anything here. And today we're going to be reviewing CurlSmith's brand new fragrance-free shine recipe line. And I'm excited about this because a few of you have asked me on Instagram, Rachel, are there any fragrance-free lines that you could recommend me? I have a sensitive scalp. Well, guess what? Come a little closer. This one is for you. CurlSmith came through for y'all. It's fragrance-free, it's for sensitive scalp, and it's super easy to use. It comes in a 4-step system, but I'm not gonna talk too much. If you wanna see how I got these results, do you see the shine? Is it living up to what it said it was gonna do? If you would love to see how I got these results, keep watching.
Here's what my hair looked like before I started my wash day. It was very dry and matted, and I could not wait to get started. I spent about 10 minutes getting my hair soaking wet and just letting the water run all throughout my hair. I had to make sure every single point of my hair was saturated with water. Then I went ahead and applied the Shine shampoo, which is a light foaming cleanser. It works to gently remove dirt, buildup, and any pollution that can dull our hair, and it just helps to restore our hair's natural shine. I love this shampoo so much. It is very light. It's by no means a clarifying shampoo, but it still gave me a very nice clean. And I was very surprised because as I rinsed out my shampoo, I could already start to see the shine in my hair. Next, I'm going in with the Silky Smooth and Detangling Shine Conditioner. Now, this is a very lightweight conditioner. Of course, you rinse it out, and it works the same as the rest of the products. It works to boost shine and make your hair feel soft and silky without weighing it down. Now, I have used this conditioner 2 times. The first time I used it, my hair was extremely tangled, and it didn't do that well with detangling. But the second time I used it, my hair was not as tangled and it worked wonders. I do detangle my hair in sections, and once I'm done with that, I go ahead and rinse out my conditioner and put my hair in sections again so that I can get ready to do the styling portion. For step 3, I go ahead and apply my Shine Cream, which is a lightweight leave-in conditioner. With my styling products, I always apply it to soaking wet hair, so wet your hair again if you need to. Do not apply it to dry hair. I also like to take a brush and make sure my hair is detangled and comb through my creams for even distribution. Next, I go in with my Shine Jelly, which is a lightweight frizz control gel. This does give you a level 6 medium hold, so it still provides definition, shine, and a flexible hold that does not weigh your hair down at all. So this is the gel that gave me all of my volume. I actually have an example to show you what my hair looked like using this gel only, and then I have another example to show you what my hair looked like using a combo of the level 6 and the level 9. I really love this gel for a voluminous look. For my final step, I take the level 9 shine gel and I just run it over large sections so that it can create a strong cast around my hair. Now again, this is an optional step, but the first time I did my wash and go, I only used level 6 and I had a lot of volume but not as much definition, so I wanted to combine both gels so I can try and achieve both volume with some extra hold. And as promised, here are my results using only the Shine Cream and the level 6 Shine Jelly. It left my hair so voluminous, and this is day 1 hair. I didn't have to pick my hair out or anything. I had so much volume.
So between their light hold gel and their strong hold gel, which one do I like more? I can't say I like one more than the other because it's more about what my goals are. So if I'm going for a lot of volume, I want like day 3 volume on day 1. that light hold gel gave that to me. I was very surprised by it. It gave me an extreme amount of volume. I also didn't have to diffuse my hair that long. I usually have to diffuse my hair for about 30 minutes minimum, but that light hold gel was so light, it started drying and it wasn't like a lot of product on my hair, so it dried up really fast. But that was a plus for me, and I honestly can't lie. I was scared to try out the light hold because I'm like, oh, you know, I have very dense hair. My hair is dense. I'm 3C4A. I'm low porosity. I'm like, oh, this light hold isn't gonna do much for me, but it actually did. It could have done, sorry, my phone. I think it could have done a little bit better with definition. It didn't give me the most definition, but the volume made up for it, okay? I'm a volume girl. I will take volume. A volume. Almost any day of the week. I love it. As far as the Stronghold number 9 gel, it is a very thick gel, and that's where you're going to get a lot of your hold from. So to meet in the middle, I use both. First, I did my light hold gel over the smaller sections, and then once I was done, as you saw, once I was done, that's when I then took my Stronghold gel and took it over the entire section as a whole, like as a glaze. I just wanted to form some type of cast around it because I love that feeling of breaking the cast and then watching your hair just go like this. So that was my way of getting some light hold with a drizzle, a little spice of Stronghold. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you tried this line, please let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. How did it work for your hair? Did you enjoy it? If you have not tried it, is it something that you would like to try? Thanks again for watching. Bye.